All right, let's break down how you can get way better results from Gemini AI.
So, do your AI results ever feel kinda meh? Just totally generic and useless?
Well, here's the thing. The problem usually isn't the AI, it's the prompt.
I mean, look at this. Help me study gets you nothing. But being specific, that's the key. So the real secret is to change how you think about it. Treat it like an assistant.
And there's actually a name for this whole approach. It's called structured prompting.
It all comes down to this simple four-part fix: task, context, tone, and format.
Okay, enough theory. Let's see how this actually works with Gemini.
You can see here, it's all about picking the right approach for what you're doing. Okay, first up, writing and editing. Gemini is great at this, but there's a trick. The key is don't ask it to write from scratch. Use it for specific jobs, like an editor.
All right, now what about for research and studying? It's the exact same idea. Think of it as your study buddy. It helps organize your thoughts and find what you're missing. And for work, oh yeah, it can turn total chaos into a clear, actionable plan.
Just feed it your messy notes or emails and ask it to make sense of them.
So what's the #1 mistake pretty much everyone makes? Being way too vague.
Also, don't ask for too much at once, and never ever trust the first answer.
Okay, let's put this all together into a workflow you can use every single time.
Here it is, a simple 5-step process: dump, structure, refine, personalize, and always verify.
It all boils down to this. Gemini is an assistant. You still have to be the boss.
Which leaves us with one big question. Are you using AI to speed up your thinking or replace it?